Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to disable Show Category on Profile on X, Twitter, for a more personalized profile experience. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. To begin, open the X app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, navigate to the top left corner of the screen and tap on your profile picture. From there, select the Profile option to access your profile settings. Within your profile settings, locate and tap on Edit Profile to make changes to your profile information. Now scroll down the page until you find the Edit Professional Profile option. This is where you can customize the details displayed on your profile. Within the Edit Professional Profile section, you will see the toggle switch for Show Category on Profile. To disable this feature, simply toggle the switch to the off position. By turning off Show Category on Profile, you have the ability to control the visibility of your profile category. Information to others on X, Twitter. Once you have completed these steps, your profile will reflect your preferences and provide a more tailored experience for both you and your audience. Congratulations! You have successfully disabled Show Category on Profile on X, Twitter, allowing you to curate your profile information according to your preferences. Enjoy your customized profile experience on X, Twitter.